Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some noise cancelling wireless Bluetooth headset with microphone. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Today's episode, we're taking a closer look at a wireless headset, and this is perfect and ideal for anybody who, for instance, if you do trucking, if you do conference calls, if you do a lot of driving around, because this is perfect for anybody who does any sort of telecommunications, because it's basically a headset where you have a speaker on one end, but the other side you also have like your microphone. So it's like one ear is always opened and then the other ear is actually the one that's being occupied. And with this headset, you do have the option to use it on your left side or utilize it on your right side. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of Bluetooth wireless headset. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this exact product that we're taking a look at in today's episode. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the overall box and presentation is actually pretty decent with this headset. There is a few specifications and details on the side, which we're all going to take a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. So in front of the box, you guys can see we have the company's name on the side. It says Environmental Noise Cancelling Wireless Headset. We have a visual representation of the headset itself. On this side, there is a few specifications and details if you guys want to take a pause and look at that. The back side has a more technical stuff, the technical specifications and features that this headset has. And yeah, that's basically it for the box. So why don't we proceed to unbox it. I'm going to pull the box back completely, and you guys can see we're instantly greeted with all the different contents that this box offers. So it looks like they put the headset on this nice little cardboard protecting kind of mechanism or a separator, and I am going to put this headset off to the side for now. We also get included with our nice, carrying bag that we can utilize with this headset so that, we can take this on the go if we needed to. And it looks like we get included with a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, and I'm guessing this is for charging up this headset once it's low on battery. And then the last three remaining things that are included with the packaging is our user manual, and then we also have a warning/cautions manual. But now, let's take a look at the headset itself. You guys can see this is how the form factor looks like. It's a very simple headset. You do have a swivel degree, so I think this is what, 90 or 1, I think no, that's 180 degree swivel right here. We have a headband for the other ear because, like I said, this is not really a headphone set, it's more like a one-sided headset. And then on this side, you guys can see we actually have our microphone, and this is also adjustable to all these different angles and directions that you can also manipulate. And on the side right here, we have all different volume and media controls. You got the mic mute button right here. We also have volume up, volume down, and the middle button, I'm guessing, is our power button. And they did put some grips on it, like some sort of like indicator letting you know that that's the power button. And then on this side, we have our USB-C cable, or port I should say, for this headset, and that's for charging them up. And you do get about 30 hours of runtime, and the signal range with this headset is about 99 feet. This is how our headband looks. It's very simple. It's just plastic. There's no sort of cushioning on the headset. You can also adjust the length, but overall, yeah, it's a very simple product, to be honest. Not a whole lot going on here, but hopefully when we test it out with some music, test it out with talking to the microphone, hopefully it will perform really nicely. So why don't we actually proceed to test out this headset? But the first thing that we need to do is actually put this on our heads. And I think for my demonstration, I don't know, should we put it on the left or right? Anyways, we're gonna put ours on the right side. But like I mentioned earlier in this video, you do have the ability to use this on the left side, right side, doesn't matter. This is, you know, fully usable on your left ear or your right ear. So depending on your preference or your setup, you may decide to go for the other ear. But in my demonstration, we're going to be putting it on our left side. So this is how it looks like. You guys can see this is how the fit looks like. It's very snug. It's not moving anywhere. As I shake around, it's not going anywhere, which is good. And obviously with the padding, there's not a whole lot of noise cancellation, so do keep that in mind. But my ear does fit inside, so that's also really good to see. But overall, the fit's really decent with this headset. It's not too bad. And as opposed to, like, you know, those earpieces, headsets that people use, you know, this one, at least it can rest on top of your head. The mic's, you know, I can move out the way. So I would prefer this than, you know, compared to one of those earpieces that a lot of, you know, truckers or drivers may potentially use. Why don't we actually take this headset off and power it on? So I think if I hold down this button right here, it should power on. You guys can see we got blue and red lights flashing, letting you know it's ready to pair up to a Bluetooth device. What I'm going to do is actually go into my phone now, and we're actually going to connect this headset to my phone and actually pair it up. So right now I'm in my Bluetooth settings. You guys can see it says EKSA-H1, which is the model that we're reviewing. And I'm going to pair it, and I can hear it said pair. It says the headset's connected, so we should be good to go. And now, what I'm going to do is open up my music streaming software or platform, and we're going to see and play a few songs here. Let me find a song here that we can play. Let's play this one. Okay, I can hear it. The audio's not too bad. Okay. Sound quality is not bad. The headset itself, the loudness is okay. Maybe I can increase it. Okay, so if I use the media controls, I can increase it on the headset itself. Yeah, sound quality is not bad. It sounds really good. There's, you know, the audio sounds clear and direct. The loudness is okay with this headset. But obviously this is not really meant for music. It's meant for, you know, communicating with people or, you know, doing conferences and all that. So now what we're going to actually do is actually proceed with a microphone test. I have a audio recording software on my phone that captures the Bluetooth audio that I'm capturing. So as soon as I click this button, you guys will be hearing audio from this headset. So right now we're testing out this headset. How good is this microphone? Is it loud and direct? Can you guys hear me nicely and clearly? Or is it having a hard time actually picking me up? Hopefully my voice doesn't sound robotic, because this is meant for, you know, people who drive, you know, people who do conferences, people who do any sort of telecommunications. You know, if you like to interact or, you know, communicate with a lot of people, you want to have some sort of device that, you know, keeps you hands free, and, you know, you can still do whatever operations you need to, you know, do. And hopefully with this headset, the audio is actually loud and direct, and you know, with the microphone, with it being adjustable, I can get it closer to me. I can easily, you know, adjust it closer to my mouth. Or if I need to push it off to the side, I can as well. And you also got that mute functionality on the microphone. So why don't I test out the mute button? So right now, I click on the mute button, and now you guys can see it's starting to pick up my voice again. So the mute button does work with this microphone headset, which is really good, because, you know, I don't have to actually take off my headset. I don't need, you know, manipulate or mess with my phone. So having that mute button on the side is also ideal, especially when you don't want to, you know, pick up on your own voice. So overall, I think this is a fantastic headset. I'm going to go back and listen to the audio just to see how good it actually sounds. So I just listened back to the recording, and yeah, it sounded really good. You know, the noise cancellation with this headset is fantastic. And did a really good job of actually picking up my voice. The sound quality was actually pretty decent. But there is a few more things I want to show you guys before we head off. With this headset, you are able to connect to two devices at the same time. So if you are a driver or a trucker, and for instance, you have your phone that you make phone calls with, but on your, you know, car navigation system, you also have like music and stuff connected. You can do so by connecting that your headset, I should say, to two devices at the same time. You do have that option. And then with this headset, like I mentioned, you have the ability to use it on either side, because the microphone itself is 270 degrees. So if I wanted to, I could put the headset on my right side, just like so, stretch it out, make sure it's on me perfectly, and then boom. So now I have it on the opposite side compared to the side we just had it on. So you are able to rotate and use it on either side of your head, which is really, really nice. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the final opinions and remarks and end off this video. So one of my final opinions and remarks about this, Telecom headset. Well, it did a fantastic job. It's a Bluetooth wireless headset. You have that microphone on the side, and then with the microphone, you have that mute functionality. You have media controls on the headset itself, and what I like about it is the way they made it, set it up. You can easily navigate. You don't have to take off the headset to see what you're clicking on. So overall, it's a really ideal headset. Especially with me, I do a lot of meetings and conferences, and having something like this where I can kind of have one ear in, one ear out is beneficial, especially if you don't want to have headsets where it covers both of your ears and occupies them. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts when we do upload. Have any questions or concerns, leave a comment, enjoy the video, leave a like, and also share this video to anybody who may be interested in some sort of headset. Also, if you're a company or business wanting to potentially work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message from potentially work with me, or if you need any further assistance with this product, you guys can do so by reaching me out through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, product information, specifications, and details will be listed down below in the description for those who are interested, alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in buying this exact product that we took a look at in today's episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making this video, and I hope to see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing off. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.